Hello and welcome back everyone to the next episode on Anubhav Learning Series with me, Anubhav. Last week, our Prime Minister have announced the usage of Cowin App and it's getting appreciation across the globe. So we thought, why not let's create a POC also on Cowin, exploring the features of SAP UI5 and understanding how can we build a dashboard using Cowin data. You can access this dashboard absolutely free on the given IP address. I'm also going to put the link into the description of the video. So in this demonstration, we will see how can we analyze the Cowin data from SAP UI5 application. It's an analytic cum transactional application, which showcase not just the pattern of Cowin application, but also show you the amount of vaccines which are getting injected into the citizens of the country. It's one of its unique dashboard with real-time data getting loaded from Cowin API and then demonstrating the features. You can also go and use this app particular to your area, your city as well. So what are we waiting? Let's get started with the demo. Before that, I would like to quickly tell you the foundation of this application. It's built on Open API offered by Cowin. So if you go to cowin.gov.in, you will see there's already an API offered by the team. You can go ahead and check the details of the API on Cowin website. Then you can see this data is available directly from their health ministry website, and you can search here basically the pin code of your city. For example, I can search for Bangalore, and you can see here the number of centers available, and all of this data is coming through an API offered by Cowin. So we plug this and we build a dashboard. A special thanks to my team members, Kuldeep and Shekhar, for building this application for us. So let's go ahead to our dashboard application. You can also test this application right on your system, even in your mobile devices by clicking on the link. So now you can see here first is you can search your area by the pin code, or you can also search the cities by the states. So for example, if I go by pin code, I can search. But before that, on this screen, you can see the live vaccination data over here today. So you can see this is the live data since morning. How many vaccination centers have done total number of vaccines today? So what are the total doses? How many people are receiving dose one? And how many of them received their dose 2, and how many total doses which have been injected by far in the morning, since morning across the country. This is a live real-time data. Then you can see the total number of vaccinations which have been done today till now. Then we have dose 1 vaccinations which have been done, dose 2 vaccination which have been done, including total vaccinated males and female ratio. So you can see in our country, we have a good diversity, as well as we have equal amount of doses which are being injected across the genders. And then we also have the number of side effects reported after the vaccination. Now, if I go back and search for my particular area, and if I click on search, the button will get enabled. And you can probably also go by city, for example, Karnataka. And if I search for Bangalore, and I search, you can see the button is enabled. So I switch to more details and wow, you get a beautiful dashboard. So total there are 188 centers across Bangalore urban, out of which 183 centers are serving Covishield vaccine and 5 centers are serving Covaxin. If I wanted to filter on the below table, all the center names and the details, if the vaccine doses are available for Covaxin, I can click here and you can see these are the 5 centers where Covaxin is getting done. Over now, if I click Covishield, you can see system filters all the Covishield centers, including also now you see age group. So if I'm interested maybe to look at only the centers which are for age group 18 with Covishield, I can click here and now I can see Covishield and Covaxin centers with 18 plus only are being displayed here. You can see the total count as well here for the same. Any data filtering which you do, you can download the whole data into a Excel format and analyze it. So as of now, since morning, the slots are open. None of the centers having any vaccine slots or appointments available. Hence, it's coming 0. So at times, let's say, for example, the Cowin website is down. You can use our website, you can use our app to go ahead and view the data from the health ministry directly. Of course, right now we have not opened up our app for booking, but in future, perhaps based on request and demand, we can also achieve the booking from our dashboard. This is deployed on a very good server on the internet. Hence, the speed of this application is amazingly fast as compared to other applications what you see around you. So hope you enjoy this demo session on this Cowin dashboard application. Use this app, give us the feedback in the chat window, in the comments below. Feel free to share, like, and subscribe this channel so that we can bring in more innovations like this to you. If you would like to download the source code of this application, feel free to drop us an email on contact@anubhavtrainings.com, and we will give you the source code absolutely free so you can run it also it in your local machine directly. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.